Assalamualaikum and 9th class. Today we are going to discuss the topic of communication over network, which is the part of chapter number 5, that is computer networks. If you remember that before exams we were doing this chapter, so the last topic of this chapter was remaining, that is communication over network, and today I'm going to discuss and tell you about dial-up lines. First of all, review for your revision. I again tell you about the definition of computer network. Computer network is defined as interconnection between two or more computers for the purpose of information exchange between them. So it means that computer network is designed to share or exchange information from one device to another. Here I have written, and the journal definition is about computers, but actually there are not only computers. These can be any device, these can be laptops, these can be mobiles, and any other sort of things which can be connected. So we use general word, that is a device. Interconnection between two or more computers for the information exchange between them. Now for information exchange between different computers and different devices, initially dial-up lines were used. Dial-up lines were used to link between two or more computers for the purpose of information exchange. So what are the dial-up lines? Dial-up lines are the old telephone networks. You remember, and nowadays we call it as landline telephone network. This was used initially. So when internet was designed, it was the only way to connect the whole world was the PSTN network, public switch telephone networks, because already whole cables were there for telephone network. So PSTN networks, public switch telephone network, were used for connecting the whole world through internet. It uses twisted, that time it was using just twisted pair, but nowadays it uses twisted pair as well as fiber optics, and for wireless communication, microwave transmission and communication satellites are also used. So how dial-up lines connect you to internet? For internet, your desktop computers, obviously that was at that time there were no laptop computers. So your telephone set is connected to the internet via your telephone is connected to your computer and so your whole now computer is connected to the whole this network. Now how you establish that connection? You have given a number which you will dial, and when you hear dial tone, then you are connected to the internet. Then that, and if you want to browse an internet, or for example you want to open Google, then that information was sent to the nearest booster, then to the other booster, and that booster or that pole is connected to the Google server, and Google this server is displayed to you here on your computer. Now the only problem with that dial-up line is that its speed was very slow. It was just 56 kbps, and it is not MB. Remember, it is not MB. It was just 56 kbps. So it was very slow, but it was a blessing at that time because it was very new thing, internet, and it was just can't people at that time can't imagine this, that they can easily contact with each other in whole world. So it was just a blessing for them. But today, if we are said to be used 56 kbps, it's nothing for us because we are using speed in MBs and GBs nowadays. So when DSL was used, it was initially using 256 kbps, which is now uh, raised up to MBs and GBs in 3G, 4G or 5G network. So dial-up lines were the very basic and very first connection to the internet. Um, this was your topic about dial-up lines. Kindly see these slides and listen this lecture, and if you have any problem, you have a class today at 8 a.m. So kindly ask the questions and also ensure your attendance in your classes because these topics will not be repeated. Thank you.